time to go. Good morning everyone and Selamat Hari Raya Aidilfitri Minal Aidil wal Faizin. We're going for Eid prayers right now. It's the only time in Jakarta where you can really drive without any jam. So we managed to get here on time because we were worried that we will be quite late. Say hello to everyone. Hello. Hello Mama.
Hello.
Hello. Alright, see you guys in a while. So that was Salatul Eid. That's a prayer where we do 2 raka'ah, and it's not an obligatory prayer, so some people tend to miss it, but we try not to because the reward is great. And we're gonna see a lot of houses today. We're gonna take you around. This is house number 1. Guys, this is scary. There's 2 crocodiles here. I think there's 2, and that's one of them. Can you see it? And apparently that parrot can sing the adhan. Wow.
So that was the first house, and that was my uncle's and my grand uncle's house. He's the one who manages the mosque, and that was our extended family's mosque. And that's where we spend our Eid every year. So we're gonna visit more houses soon around here because most of my family's houses are around here. For each visit that we need to do, we have to prepare some of these. Apa namanya, Ma? Oh, antran.
Yeah, antaran. Antaran means delivery.
Delivery. I mean, literally, it's delivery. Yeah. So we need to bring that to all of the houses that we visit, and that means we need to prepare around 40 items at least.
40 houses, guys.
40 houses, yes. Oh my gosh.
And this is second house. This is Amalia's mom's sister's house. Oh, that's a mouthful. Yeah. So yeah, second house. Assalamualaikum. When you're visiting houses, you get to eat a lot of food, guys. So one tip is don't eat too much in one house because you're gonna go to a lot of houses. Try to eat not too much, like just to fill your tummy. See, Amalia is taking some bakso. This is called bakso. It's a type of meatball in Indonesia. Very, very good. And there's also some kueh, like layered cake and stuff like that. These are dried foods, and yeah, lots of dried foods and drinks. Aha! Yeah, one tradition here when you're visiting houses is for the married couple, you need to be giving out ang pao. I don't know if they call it ang pao. Is it called ang pao?
I have no idea.
Usually in Indonesia, they don't give it in this kind of packet, unlike the ones in Malaysia. They actually give it as just cash directly to the kids, like maybe 50,000 rupiah per children.
Tangan yang ini. Tangan ini.
Okay, that fails.
Sekarang kita ke rumah paman dulu ya, ke sebelah ya.
Okay.
Yang ketiga apa 15?
Assalamualaikum.
Nah, apa ini?
Ini apa ini?
Kerupuk kulit.
Oh, kerupuk kulit paling enak kan?
Leather, literally leather.
Kerupuk.
Kulit apaan? Kulit apaan?
Okay, Aiman has the loudest crunch.
Ya, tahu.
Wow. Lots of really good snacks here, including nastar. Ooh. And then this is like curry puff, but it's not curry puff. It's like with abon. I don't know how to explain abon. Focus, 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 focus. Okay. What?
This one is a must, ketupat for lebaran. It's basically a rice cake, and we eat it with semur. Semur is daging, meat in soy sauce. Very nice.
Nomor 4.
Yeah. Yeah. This is house number 4. More food. Time for the 5th house. Today is actually an easy day because it's only like how many houses? Like
5
5.
houses?
But tomorrow will be?
I don't know. I think more than that.
Could be
Like
16
10.
houses.
Yeah. Maybe.
Sometimes it's 16 per day. Crazy, right? Okay, you see this is Amalia as a proportion, and this is the road. This is the road that leads to her house. Her old house is at the end of that street over there. And can you believe that actually one truck, an actual truck, can actually fit into this street? It's crazy. It's just, wow. Only in Indonesia.
Later.
That's the end of our visiting today. So